How long does it take for a cat to really bond with you? Weeks? Months? Though it sounds like a lot of work, it really isn't. You can play with them when you're up for it. And even when you're tired or busy, you can still bond in a chill and relaxed way. What I always do is cuddle with them. I'll put this hoodie on and slip my cat into the big front pocket. The fabric feels really soft and plush, which makes my cat and I feel super cozy. It can also keep us warm, especially on those chilly nights. The hoodie is oversized but lightweight, so it's comfy for everyone regardless of your shape. Get this cat kangaroo hoodie today and cuddle some meow to bond with your cat in the most relaxing way.